Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Blue Jay Gamer's Scratch tutorial. Today we're going to be looking at sensing, and just as a forewarning, I'm kind of sick, so if I take a second to cough or do whatever, do bear with me, and on with the episode. So today we'll be looking at sensing, as previously mentioned. The first block we have here is called touching, and then you get to select whatever. We'll be using a lot of if statements, and actually, I'll just throw in this right here so that I can actually show you some of this code. Maybe a change X because that's simple enough. Okay, so if you're touching whatever, right? Actually, we're gonna need a forever script. Sorry, just let me do a little bit of setting up here. So your if touching statement, that is if you're touching the mouse pointer, the edge, or any other sprite that you want. Here I'll do mouse pointer just to show you the idea. And see, like, whenever he'll move 10 steps whenever he touches the mouse pointer. If you want to change that, add a sprite 2. So whenever he's touching sprite 2, he'll move 10 steps until he's not touching sprite 2. That makes sense, right? How about if he's touching a specific color? So if he's touching a specific color, let's say no, that's not what I want. The Scratch Cat orange. He will then move 10 steps until he's not touching that color. And then you can actually have it sensing any color, touching any color. So if you wanted, you could set black here. No, that's white. If I can set the color of the outline here. No, come on. There we go. It's touching this orange here. If I did this correctly. There, so you can actually get the sensing of any sprite or any interactions going on. If you have that specific color touching another, your character will do something, your sprite. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Okay. Ask, what's your name, and wait. So I'll just type in mine, or at least that there. And now, so now it thinks that my name is, let's see if it'll actually accept that. So now it's going to save that as answer. Now if we go here, say, and this is the fun part, answer is something that will hold a value of what we said. So now, I don't know, I mistyped my name. Good going. Let's try this again. And oh, it's under a forever loop, that's why. Don't mind me. But it should. Now it will forever say what I put in as my answer, which is Blue Jay Gamer. So you could have some fun with that. I actually once made a quiz game based on the answers you put in. It was like you had to put in A, B, C, or D or whatever, and then it would give you a right answer or not if your answer was equal to a specific character. It was a lot of fun. Alright, next, key pressed. That's simple enough, right? Alright, let me just get rid of these. Actually, I do need that. Okay, so key space is pressed. Simple enough. Any key you press, you can have any number key, any letter key, any key, or any arrow key, and it will change that for you. Mouse down. Oh, I don't know where that went. Whatever. Oh, it's back there. Okay. Mouse down. It basically senses that your mouse is being pressed. I am pressing my mouse pad right now. I don't know. I don't doubt you can tell. Now your mouse X and mouse Y. Do you see these coordinates down here? Okay. Don't mind that code's still going. But right here, it'll show the X and Y coordinates of your mouse on the screen. Now it'll hold the mouse X value here and the mouse Y value here, and I haven't really used it, but it could be used to quite an advantage if you wanted. I don't know. And then loudness, that has to do with your volume. I'm sorry, I'm gonna okay. Volume is here. Loudness, I've never actually used. Just give me 2 seconds. Okay, so this loudness code here, look at this. Test. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Test. It measures the volume of your own voice through a microphone. That's actually pretty cool. Okay, this video, I don't do any recording strictly through Scratch. I use a different program, so I have no idea what that does. I think what the idea is that you can video a sprite in specific, but I've never really looked at it. Oh boy. Let's hope this fixes it. There we go. Turn video on. Yeah, I'll just get rid of that. But you can actually set a timer, and it looks to be timing up in seconds. I doubt that I've been recording this long, so I'm not really sure. But you can reset the timer. See? X position of sprite 1. That's easy enough. That's sprite 1 over here. And it will give you the X position of sprite 1, and then you can change the sprite to what you want, or to Y position to actually call anything within the list here. Size, and then I think there's one more. Volume. And then you can show the current minute, which is 15. Yeah, 5:15 down here. And then days since 2000. Does this fit? Does this fit? I want to see this. Let's see how many days it's been since 2000. 5,861.01. That's pretty cool. I guess that's obvious enough, right? It will give you that exact. And then, if this would like to hide, just give me 2 seconds. Well, my taskbar doesn't want to auto hide, so but I did get a way to get this up here. So, username. I don't know how you make a username, but let's try this. Well, there's no username. I don't know how to make one yet. Go figure. Maybe you have to log in online, but that's it for sensing. Thanks for watching, everyone, and